Hello guys, I use my phone Oppo Reno for Lite. This version 8GB RAM memory on 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have protective back cover, adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and headphones. Okay, good complementation. Talk about device, quad camera on the back side, on the front side 6.4-inch display, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, volume keys, power key on this side, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack, upside microphone. Okay, turn on device, AMOLED display, full HD resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass free, open settings, about phone, Android 10 version ColorOS 7.2. Open Geekbench 5. CPU MediaTek 6778, MT6778, 79, 6 plus 2 cores, 2 and 2 GHz CPU speed, resolution display PPA and GPU. Look results, GPU test results, okay, and look onto the benchmark results. Yep. Open demanding game GTA San Andreas, look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Resume game. Game works very good, without lags and glitches, on the max graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. We have main camera 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels. Let's see photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.